Can we change the name on Tinder? Hello, guys, and let's get started. If you have certainly written a wrong name on your Tinder application but want to get it changed, unfortunately, name and age are two of such things on your Tinder profile that cannot be changed once you have created the account. Which means if you tap on settings icon, you might be able to make changes and edit other informations such about your interest, hobbies, and much more. But regarding your name and the age, it is temporary on the profile while creating the account. Having said that, if you have any typos or serious mistakes on your name and age, the only way by which you can change it is deleting the account permanently and creating a new one. So till date, there has not been any updates regarding the change or edit of your name and age. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.